When asked if this house was staged because it looked like it wasn't. The owner is a great curator of fine antiques and design. My next open house is located at 1043 11th Street in Santa Monica, just north of Wilshire. This is a great walkable location. It's also located in the Roosevelt School District, which is a highly desirable elementary school. It's rated 10 out of 10 for our school grade, and it's listed for $1.799. If you hire me to buy or sell your home, you're hiring an amazing team. I am back with an amazing partner, Randy Troop. Hello, Randy.
Hey.
And we've got an amazing loan officer, escrow company, title, you name it. We will take care of all your real estate needs. And our last open house is one of my favorites. I love Post and Beam, mid-century, and this is listed by one of our top producing agents in our Brentwood office. And it's listed for $2.995, and it's located at 919 Kenter Avenue. Hi, Mary Beth. Would you like to tell us a little bit about this lovely property?
I would. It's just a great family house, or a couple house with room for offices and guest rooms. You've got a tremendous floor plan. It was built in 1960 by one owner, built for the sellers, and it's just
great bones.
It's got great bones. It's a true mid-century. As you come in, you've got a real madman bar.
Look at those glasses.
Yeah, they kind of really are very timeline with this house, which has high ceilings, has great light fixtures, and it goes outside to a very large yard and lot. Lot is almost 15,000 square feet, and so you've got living room, an open living room, dining room entry, then and out to a covered patio, big swimming pool, grass.
What is it listed for?
It's reduced today to $2,995. It's a wonderful value.
And it's in the Kenter School District, which is amazing.
It's Kenter School District, which is
not too far from here.
Is a really coveted school. This master opens out to the covered patio and it has a redone bath. It has a walk-in closet, and we've got 3 other family bedrooms right next to this master, which is perfect for what most people want.
always forget the key. Hello, Dominique. Okay, and here I am walking to my corner office. Oh, not. Yeah, no, my office is right here. Yes, by the ladies' restroom. In the peanut gallery. And here I hear conversations that I'm not supposed to hear from Jeff and Fermin. Oh, nice. Hello. Okay, what do you suggest for a coffee drink, for an afternoon coffee drink?
For an afternoon coffee drink, well, I just found out we had a banana latte yesterday, and that sounds pretty good.
I'll try it.
Okay, would you like the 12 ounce or 16 ounce?
12 ounce, thank you.